Hi, I'm Ed Wagner from Wagner Meters. What should my moisture level be in my concrete slab? Is a very common question we get on a regular basis. Not long ago, I took a call and the person on the other end of the phone line said that they were getting readings in the low 80% relative humidity when they tested with the Rapid RH moisture test. She said that now that they had their readings, they did not know what to do with them. Is the concrete slab dry enough to put down the floor covering? I wanted to help her understand the issues. First, I let her know that the ASTM standard says that the concrete slab needs to be below 75% relative humidity or whatever the Rapid RH level the manufacturer of the floor covering specifies. Some manufacturers have products that can handle 80% relative humidity. Other products can handle all the way up to 90% relative humidity or even higher. The products that can handle the higher relative humidities are usually more expensive. The relative humidity information for each product is usually on the website of the floor covering manufacturer. But in order to make it easy to find this information, Wagner Meters maintains a website that lists most of the floor covering products and has links directly to the location on the websites of the manufacturers so that the moisture level can easily be found for each product. The name of this website is rhspec.com. There are very few products that are not listed on this website. If a person cannot find the product, they need to call the manufacturer of the product to ask what the moisture level requirement is for that particular product. The person on the phone call seemed pleased with the answer. She said that she now knew how to proceed with her projects. This is Ed Wagner. Thanks for watching, and together, let's keep learning. Check out these other videos and click subscribe.